So what happens now when we try to find the cube root of a negative number? If you'll remember correctly, there was no such thing as the square root of a negative number, because we can't multiply a negative number by itself and get a negative number. On the other hand, what about a cube root? Can we multiply a negative number times itself 3 times and get a negative number? Let's try 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, and we'll use parentheses so we don't confuse ourselves here, times negative 1. Is that a positive or a negative number? Well, it's negative 1. So I suppose we can have a cube root of a negative number, because we can multiply a number times itself 3 times that's negative and get a negative number. And furthermore, the cube root of a negative number will be negative. So let's go ahead and factor 27. And when we do so, we get 3 times 9. That one's prime. We keep going here, and we get 3 times 3. We have a set of 3 here. So the cube root of 27 would be 3. The cube root of negative 27 would be negative 3. And I should put that where we can read it more easily. The cube root of negative 27 would be negative 3. 3 because of this set of 3 3's when we factor it, and negative because it started off negative and it's a cube root. So negative 3, and let's check it. Let's make sure this works. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Does that equal negative 27? And yes, it does, negative 27.